What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on the Spell token. Main reason being that it's relatively bullish today. It's up 10%, but apart from that, I also wanted to take a look at it after all these bearish days we had. Excuse me, once again. We had over the last week, but also before that we had that big crash, and I know that there's a huge community behind Spell token still, even after it dropping down by this much. Know that there's a big community behind it ever since, and before that as well, ever since their launch on Coinbase. Just some quick notes which I do want to get in, because I think that's important. Is I checked out the tokenomics of Spell token before this, and still it's at 46% released. So what that means is that over the next 4 years, all the tokens for the team will be released. So that will be the next like 2 years, I think, because it launched some time ago. But what this frankly means is that there's still quite a lot of inflation in the price, and what brought the price down, first of all, is less interest in Spell token and Abracadabra money, their whole platform, but also inflation. So I do expect that if this actually gets up to that total supply and to the max supply, because you can see also 10 billion has already been burned, so I don't think we'll reach that max supply. But once we'll get to that level, I actually do expect Spell token to have massive gains. But up until then, it's just a risky bet, because you're basically betting that it will go up more than that there's inflation, which is possible, definitely in a bull market, but that's tough. So wanted to take a look at it, what we did today and what we did before that. So what we did, we kind of dropped down to this level here at 10,000. That's what I'm going to call the prices as. Technically it's 0.1 cents, but that will be a little bit difficult to use. So I'm calling this as 10,000. On your exchange, it could also be 1,000 or 100, depending on how many decimals they use. But we found support there, and that's a big psychological support level, which is great, because psychological support levels always tend to be the last support, at least for a while. I also think that's going to happen. Today with Spell token, we reached this level here around 16,000, or again, just to remind you, 0.16 cents, which we rejected off. And I think that rejection is going to stick. We might go up a little bit more into the area, because the area ranges from 17,000 up until 15,500. I think we could reach 17,000 off of a break retest off of this 14,000 small key level. It's not even a key level, but it's an area of interest. I think we could reach that, but afterwards I do expect us to drop down to 12,000 again. And just to consolidate here between 12,500 and ultimately 15,500. Both pretty strong key levels. The price could shoot down below to like 11,000 for a couple of times, but I don't think we'll break below 12,500. And from that consolidation, it's really just waiting a little bit. And I know you hate that probably, but these markets are just too unpredictable to either say that we're going to drop down to that 10,000 level again, which I do not expect. I think it is more likely that, you know, we might just extend the consolidation to something like this, and then just have small uptrends within that level and small downtrends within that area. But it is too early to say right now. I mean, it's too early to say whether we're really going into a big bear market such as 2018, which would probably mean that we're going to drop down lower than 10,000. Or whether this is something like last year where this could be the low, and that we're just going to consolidate down here for some months before going up again, and maybe even like reaching these levels again for Spell token, because Spell token has been hit pretty hard compared to other cryptos, I gotta say. So yeah, that's still up for debate. Short term, I think these price movements are pretty accurate, but I will be updating this either on in another video, probably in another video, but also could be on the Twitter account of Cilinix Crypto. So make sure to follow that as well if you want updates on this analysis very quickly, or in the upcoming days or week. But this is the analysis for now. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said within the full video, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.